Hey everyone. Hello, my little bookworms, my little bookworms, my bookworms. So, today, I'm going to do a Swedish trigger word ASMR. I'm grabbing my paper so I can go off the list of words that I wanted to read, so yay. I don't think I'll keep my headphones on for this whole thing, but I don't know, we'll see. Just because I have earrings. My little earrings, and they're, it's kind of uncomfortable to wear with headphones, so. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So, hallå, hallå, hey, hey. What are they? What are they? How are you? And I'll go ahead and have the little description of the translation of the words for you, so that way you can understand what I'm saying. So translation will be listed on the video. So hello, hello, hey, hey. What are they? I know growing up, people said that Swedish is very like sing-songy and kinda, you know, stuff like that, which I agree. It is kinda sing-songy and up and down with some of the tones, so I might do a little bit of soft-spoken instead of just whispering. I'll back up from the mic a little bit so that way I don't burst out your eardrums. So I have a very deep voice. It's just naturally always been deeper than most women, but that's okay. And this is going off on a rabbit trail, I'm sorry, ADHD. But I also really understand Batala ASMR. When she said that, she usually did more whispering just because her normal soft-spoken voice is so deep. And, yeah, I was like, yeah, I can understand that, so, you know, ASMR, deep voice ASMR gang. So, alright, so, I might do a mix of soft-spoken and whispering, so, okay, so, excuse me, clearing up my throat, so, I'll go ahead and still do the beginning, so, hallå, hey, hey, what are they? Hallå, hey, hey, what are they? So, just to get in to the trigger words now, so, god morgon, god morgon, god morgon, god morgon, god morgon, god morgon, also good night, good night, good night, good night, natt, 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 good night, tack, tack, so tack, or you can say tack så mycket, tack så mycket, tack så mycket, tack så mycket, tack, 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 tack så mycket. Next one, varsågod, varsågod. Same back here. Varsågod, 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 varsågod. Så. Ursäkta, 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 ursäkta. I keep feeling like I'm gonna sneeze halfway. Which if I do, I'll cut that out. There's the sneeze. Ursäkta. 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 Häst. Häst. Häst is horse. Häst. Häst. Hästar is horses. Plural. So häst and hästar. Oh, my body's just deciding to make all sorts of noises, I'm sorry. So häst and hästar. I keep feeling like I'm gonna burp again. That is so gross, I apologize. I haven't eaten this morning, so my body's just doing weird things, So häst and hästar. Hästar, hästar, hästar. Next one. Katt. Katt. Katt, katt, katt. Cat is, I'm sure you probably guessed, cat. So cat. Cat. I have a cat, and he's sleeping on the bed right now because he's a spoiled king. So, cat is my lipstick uneven. Just a little bit is fine. Cat. Cat. Cat, 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 cat. Little cat. Little cat, little cat. So, fisk. Fisk. Fisk, 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 fisk. And fisk is fish. Fisk. Little swimmy fish. Fisk. Or like a goldfish. Goldfisk. Goldfisk is a goldfish. So, fisk. 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 Fisk and goldfisk. Goldfisk. Fisk. 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 Also, I'm breaking out right there. Hopefully it's not too noticeable. So, fisk, fisk, fisk. Sometimes these videos seem a little rambly. I realize that once I edit them. Sorry. My mind just kind of goes off in 300 different directions when I'm filming. So, yeah, anyway, sorry if I ramble a lot. Fisk, 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 fisk. Fisk, 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 fisk. Clear my throat. Fisk. Alright. So, next word is bjorn. 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 And bjorn is bear. Bjorn. 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 It's like PewDiePie's kid's name, Felix, now has a son named Bjorn, and I think that's so cute. I was like, oh my gosh, that is so Swedish of Felix to name his son Bjorn. But honestly, I can't blame him. I'd probably do something like that too if I had a son. So, so yes, Bjorn, 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 Bjorn for bear, Bjorn, or I guess Bjorn. I guess some people pronounce it, but Bjorn. So, next one is, what do I have here? Can't read my own writing. I'll be blocking out some of these sounds because I keep clearing my throat and it's really gross, and I apologize again. So, next one. Hund. 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 Hund is dog. Hund. Like you ain't nothing but a hound dog. Hund. So, that is where hound came from. It's hund. Which makes sense, but yeah, hund is dog. So, hund. Hund. Wind. 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 Ignore the background noise. Go away, big truck. Wind. 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 Next one. Anka. 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 Anka is a duck. Little ducky. Anka. Anka. Which I guess, if you think of the sound Hong Kong. That's so dumb, I'm sorry, but Anka. 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 No, Hong Kong. Anka. Anka. So yes, Anka. 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 Alright. Next one. Vari. 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 Vari is a wolf. Vari. So Vari. 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 So wolf. A wolf. A wolf. Power of the wolf. Vari. 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 Wolf. Vari. Vari. Vari is wolf. Next one. Royer. 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 Royer is a deer. So, Royer. 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 Yer. Royer. Then ren is reindeer. So you have ren, royer, royer for deer, royer, royer. It's hard to roll my R sometimes because I don't have a lot of people to practice with things with that require rolling my R. So sometimes just randomly I'll start rolling my R's during the day, just royer, or just royer. So it's like a tongue twister. Royer. Next one is a big animal, and you can probably guess it from the name. Elefanta. Elefant. Elefant. I'm giving you all a really big hint. Elefant is an elephant. Who would have guessed? Would have been hilarious if I said something like, elephant is like, a pigeon. Something like that. So, elephant is an elephant. So, elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. So, next one is Mira. 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 Mira is an ant. Little ant bug. Mira. 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 You don't want to find a Mira in your kitchen cupboards. Because ants, not fun to have as a problem with in the house. Those. Anyway, next one. This one's just fun. Kakalaka. So kakalaka. Kakalaka is a cockroach. Kakalaka. 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 That's, try saying that 20 times fast. Kakalaka. Kakalaka. And it's a little cockroach. Kakalaka. It's a tingly word to say. However, I would not want to find a kakalaka in my house. No, thank you. Nay. Nay, nay. So, yeah, kakalaka. And kakalaka, like I said, little cockroach. So, if audio is cutting in and out in some of these, it's because I am coughing and I don't want you guys to hear the cough. So, that's why there's edits. So many edits in my videos too. So, alright. So, yeah. Kakalaka. 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 Next one. Pada. Pada. Pada is a little toad. Boing, 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 boing. So pada. Pada is toad. And felpada is like a turtle. Felpada. But pada. Pada, 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 pada. Pada, 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 pada. Pada, 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 pada. Pada, 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 pada. Pada. So yeah, pada is little toad. So next one, croca, 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 croca. So like crow. So little bird, little bird, croca, croca. Croca, 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 croca. You know, the more that I say things in Swedish, the more I realize that it has a little bit of like the same like sing-songy tones that Welsh has. So yeah, it's a bit like the up and down is very similar. So croca, 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 croca. And if I'm not mistaken, Welsh, right? It's just Cymraeg. I studied Welsh for a while, and yeah, I remember. Of course, it's the one word I remember because I found it hilarious. I was just like, no, you're kidding me. You know, being in the U.S., you're like, dude, you can't say something like Cymraeg and not expect people to be immature about it, at least not here. So, yeah, so I just remember Welsh being Cymraeg. So, it's actually a really pretty language. I enjoyed learning it, and I'm on this app called learnwelsh.net, and yeah, it's been fun. I can't remember most of what I've learned, I'll be honest, but that's not the fault of the app. That's me and my little rabbit brain going off doing who knows what else besides studying correctly. So yeah, Cymraeg. This has now turned from a Swedish into a Welsh video. And then I think I remember one word, iskol, which I think was school. Iskol. Yeah, pretty sure that was school. So iskol. And then I think, if I'm not mistaken, dragon was drag, right? I think it was drag. I think so. I can't remember. Like I said, it's been a while. So, alright. But back to what we were doing. Croca for a little bird. Crow. Croca. Alright. One of our last words is fluga. Fluga is a little fly. Fluga, fluga, fluga. Fluga, fluga, fluga. It reminds me of the band Skull. That is, the lyrics are, you know, Broker och tri och fluga, 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 broker och tri och fluga, 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 broker och tri och fluga, fluga, fluga. Then it goes again with the last line, which is broker och tri och fluga, fluga, lage. And basically it's just sorry for that cut, so my fridge turned on, so yeah, broker och was a song telling you about how Loke turned into a fly and was bothering the two smiths that made Mjolnir, Brok, or Broker, and Hetri. So yeah. And Loke, being god of mischief like he is, turned into a fly so they would mess up when they created Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. So yeah, Loke is just always a pain in Norse mythology, always. Usually if there's anything wrong in, Asgard or the other 9 realms, it's usually his fault. So yeah, anytime things go bad in the world, just blame Loki. So, yeah. But that's the song by the band Scott, and I recommend it. I recommend listening to them. They're really nice. They're a really good band. I like them. They have another song that I love just called Rune. Alright, so there was a helicopter overhead, and I had to cut that out. I'm like, go away. So I'm going to take my headphones off for this next part because my ears are starting to hurt. So, yeah, that's a song, like I was saying. Just broker och hetri och flyga. 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 Okay. It's a great song. But like I said, they have another song called Rune, and that's a really great song too. I like that one. Talks about basically just magical things and where they're from. So, and then it has the name of all the runes for the chorus. So, and yeah, so. See my earrings just wiggle a little bit. I got bored, and that's what I do is I start playing with stuff. So, oh, I got lipstick on my teeth. Gross. Hope that hasn't been there too long. So, yeah. So, fluga. Leave it on that before I start getting real crazy. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will go ahead and see you in the next one. I realize that my hair is always up for these videos. I should probably put it down every once in a while. I do have hair, I promise. So yeah, alright, thank you everyone for watching. And I hope that you have a good night or good morgon, depending on what time of the day it is for you, or even god kväll. That too. God kväll. So, yeah. Anyway, tack så mycket. Thank you so much for watching. Tack så mycket. And I will see everyone in the next video. Bye, my little bookworms. Bye. Have a good day, or good night, or good evening. Bye. Hejdå.